Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to add device Zkteco. Start by powering the device, connecting it to your network, and opening the management app to begin enrollment. Use the app to assign an IP address, set a device name, and configure time settings. Then register an administrator fingerprint, or PIN, test a sample access event, and confirm logs appear in the console. I'll walk you through each step slowly and clearly. Open the device web portal using the assigned IP and log in with administrator credentials. Navigate to network or TCP/IP settings, enable DHCP if available, or input a static IP, subnet mask, gateway, and DNS. Save settings, then reboot the device and confirm network LED is stable. If connection fails, check cable, switch port, and firewall rules. I'll explain common errors and quick fixes in simple steps, so you can resolve issues confidently. Quick recommendation: if you find this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support more concise tutorials. Also, a short ad: these leak-proof meal prep containers are great for storing parts, cables, or a maintenance lunch, with tight seals and durable lids that save space and reduce spills. Check the description for the product link and other deals, and consider picking one up to streamline your workflow. Now let's get back to the video. To enroll users, go to User Management and choose New User, then enter a name and ID number. Register credentials by enrolling a fingerprint, face template, or PIN according to your device model. Set user access groups and time zones to control entry schedules, then save and sync to the device. Always perform a test authentication to ensure templates are recognized. I'll share tips to speed enrollment and keep templates organized for easy maintenance.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.